If you're over 30 and your hair feels like it's growing slower, thinner, or just not the way it used to, you're not imagining it. And it's not because your hair is damaged or you're doing something wrong. Today, I'm breaking down why hair growth changes after 30 and what actually works to fix it, naturally and sustainably. This is one of the most common concerns women have, but no one explains it clearly. We're often told to use better products or oil more, but hair growth after 30 is less about products and more about what's happening inside your body and scalp. Once you understand that, everything starts to make sense. The real reason: hair slows after 30. After 30, 3 major shifts begin to affect hair growth. 1. Hormonal changes. Even before menopause, estrogen and progesterone start fluctuating. These hormones support the growth phase of hair. When they dip, hair grows slower and sheds sooner. 2. Increased stress and cortisol. Life gets heavier. Careers, family, responsibilities. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which pushes hair out of the growth phase early. 3. Reduced scalp circulation. Blood flow to the scalp naturally decreases with age, meaning follicles receive less oxygen and nutrients. This isn't hair failure, it's biology. Why products stop working. Here's the truth most people miss: your hair doesn't stop responding. Your scalp environment changes. So piling on products without improving circulation, reducing inflammation, or calming stress won't give the same results it did in your 20s. Growth after 30 requires a different approach. How to fix slow hair. Growth after 30, step 1, lower chronic stress. You don't need to eliminate stress, just manage it. Quality sleep. Gentle movement, nighttime relaxation routines. Lower cortisol equals longer growth cycles. Step 2, improve scalp circulation. Gentle scalp massages 3 to 5 minutes a day. Warm compresses. Avoid tight styles that restrict blood flow. Circulation is a non-negotiable for growth. Step 3, focus on scalp health, not just strands. Clean scalp. Reduce buildup. Use oils that support inflammation control, not heaviness. Healthy scalp equals responsive follicles. Step 4, be patient with growth timelines. Hair after 30 grows slower but stronger when supported properly. Consistency beats intensity. Your hair isn't aging badly. It's asking for a different kind of care. When you shift from forcing growth to supporting your body, your hair responds. Length, thickness, and retention improve. If you're over 30 and notice changes in your hair, comment 30 plus below. You're not alone. And if you want deeper guidance on regrowth, edges, thinning, stress, and scalp health, make sure you're subscribed and check out the playlists on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.